You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an inch, man, I'm making. Oh, I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top of the ceiling. They can all try, but you cannot contain it. Cause I see the things that I want and I'm taking my goal. Cause myself to the point, no limit. Do what it takes to the free committed. I'm a little obsessed with things, I'll admit it. But that's what it takes to get a freedom ticket. Got a killer instinct and it's just the beginning. Breaking down walls on the hillside thinning. And the more you push it, the faster I trim until you're the only one getting off free beat now. We never sit still. It's time to stand up. Time to take the red pill. To make this all world. Gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. We never give up. No, we never sit still. It's time to stand up. Time to take the red pill. To make this all world. Gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. It's all there for the taking. You just gotta wanna keep chasing. Put you everything you're facing. Keep up with the pace and adrenaline rush starts racing. Get through all the things you hate in. Don't let the others in charge of your dreams. They just don't know what it takes to be seen. You see the shit take control of your team. And if you're alone, then a one-man army. So you better be starving. And you better be carving. Through the hate, keep marching. And every day keep charging ahead till you get what you want, what you dream. The credit's at the end of the past and you'll see that you always had it inside. It's the key to make the most of life believe. No, we never sit still. It's time to stand up, time to take the red pill. To make this our world, gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. We never give up, no, we never sit still. It's time to stand up, time to take the red pill. To make this our world, gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill.
我打了吗？